So Blanche is picking off parasites and probably seeds and stuff off of Brownie's foot. And Dorothy is picking off parasites off of Brownie's hair. And they'll just sit here and let them do it because they probably know what it's like or what they like about pulling the parasites off. So kind of cool. Symbiotic relationship. You can also see how pregnant Brownie is. It's getting close. Dorothy's really loud as usual. So hope everybody's having a great week. And we'll update you when we have lambs.